Talo fatamaiti. O ma le taimi o le tatou lesona o le matematika po le numera. O le tatou lesona o le nei aso. I o le lesona le 7. Okay. Our topic for today, year 7, is algebra. Algebra. And our learning outcome is we are going to simplify algebraic expressions by collecting and grouping like terms. Simplifying algebraic expressions by collecting like terms and grouping them. Okay, so before we start, we need to define these words. O upu nei o le a la vea tu tono le tatou le sona. E tau la wala on tatou wo e wha malama mo mopo wa wingo nei upu. A tatou tele i o e wha tatou le sona. Upu mua mua tamaiti. Tanga ia nei lungo le TV. Algebra. What is algebra? Okay, algebra is part of mathematics. It's one major topic in mathematics. O se tasile o au tu tele tono matematika. Algebra itself is the using of letters or variables to represent numbers. O le whaonga o mata itusipe o le A, B, C, D, E, kawa i le seed. E whaonga mata itusina e suitu langa i numera. Rona winga, wale ai se numera a watu mai le A, X, Y. Pena, le la tatu pa solo yai. Lo winga sa'awala na tatu o tual algebra. Number 2, variable. Ayane ilunga. What is variable? A variable is a symbol for a number we don't know yet. Na winga la o le variable o se whailonga. Ia po se mata itusi e suitu langa i se. Mo se whata ita ingai whapia. O whapia. 4 plus x is equal to 12. Na winga la. We can say this x is a variable because it represents a number. E yele number le walasi. What's with two langa ile o x. So x is a variable. En failan tato fa ngai na uma letters. En fai on a variable A, B, C sa ia kaula pa le said. Number 3 is constant. Constant tanga yan ilunga. A constant is a number on its own. A number on its own. Ai tilo mali tatou laina tatou expression lia. Na tilo e fa mai o le constant o se numera e tutu atasi mai la bana o ia. Tilo lai lunga I le tatou vainga lia lona winga. 4 is a constant because it stands on its own. X is a variable. Okay. Le leite mai na winga na o le fa o le constant o le numera na o ia e le pi ia se siane e le o ia se masa itu se le o ia se sia fa ilonga. Now word number 4 is coefficient. Coefficient tanga ia nei longa le TV ka ko definition. Coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. No winga la. Mo sa pa tsa inga fa pe o le coefficient o se numera o lo fa tele is a variable po lo tu fa tsa sima se variable. Impai no fa pe 4a plus 1 is equal to 17. Winga la. Impai on tsa fa pe this 4 here is a coefficient. We can call this coefficient. Coefficient. Why? Because it stands together with a variable. It is a constant, but a coefficient. Constant now, yeah. Coefficient, what pipi ma le variable italan. Yeah. Le expression. Very good. Expression in mathematics or in algebra, we can say algebraic expression. Algebraic expression or numbers or symbols and operators o nawinga o se expression o ya se numera o se constant o se coefficient o se variable whaupopo iai male whaupopo male so ise e ona taulolo mea ato na o le expression en whailan tato whapea o le aliilia silo mai tamaiti o le aliilia this one is an expression. It's an expression. Leo wayai foi numera o wayai mataitusi. Wayai le failonga faupopo. Wayai male numera. Manumera. Taula le mea le expression. Number 5 is terms. O terms ala ko wia. O vaenga taitasi le kako expression. Okay, and the last one is simplify. Simplify comes from the word symbol. Simplify to make something smaller or easier or shorter. O le fa pu po le fa fai ngofie, ia po le fa lai titi. Le winga na le upu simplify. Ona tatou toi o lola ia le ilunga o kako LO, the kako learning outcome. O lo fa pe mai. Simplifying algebraic expressions by collecting and gathering and grouping like terms. Along la ya yo la kava uma ya terms ni kong kako learning outcomes. Okay, now sa maiti ya la tatu wolo e tatu nganwenga. Ne later sa maiti o le mea mua e fia ta watu. O le upu lea. O le upu taha ua le I. Terms. O terms de algebra. En whaino whapea, sila sila la. Mangkua foi o le expression o le a. O le expression o le wai o se foi upu wha algebra. Ya la whapea. I lumar kako expression nea. In this expression, there are 4 terms here. Term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4. 4 terms. And all these terms are different. Right? Let's have a look in here. When we simplify an algebraic expression, simplify the algebraic expression, the first thing to do is to put together or collect the like terms. Like terms. The word like means the same terms. Okay, vai lai 2x, 4y, 4x, 2y. O le 2x, e like malea liilea o 4x. E mafua mai, the coefficient and a variable. Coefficient and a variable. And the variables here are the same. They are x's, which is unlike with 4y. 2x and 4y are not like. Y because the variables are different. In this term, the variable is x, and in this term, the variable is y. So, lo na winga la, o le 2x e like male 4x, o le 4y e like male 2y. E mafua mai o ngai kukusa o la variables. Okay. O na whaapea loa leo le whainga le mea. O le tatu vainga lea. Na e tango loa lea tango whai a group. Group or put together the like terms. Pea loa lea. 2x here minus 4x 2x minus 4x. Minus here is the same as negative. In terms of minus 4x or negative 4x. Mela na lay una faonga le failonga le lumay full 4x. Langa ole e alusawa ia ile le vaenga le ma ole failonga le tsa una faonga. 2x minus 4x. So 4 may ii plus 4y plus 2y. Okay. Satu sabay iya 2x minus 4x plus 4y plus 2y. Ole alawa group ne i terms 2x minus 4x 4y plus 2y. Ia ona whaatea lolo le whainga. 2 minus 4x plus 4 plus 2y. On tatu apelo lea, 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2. Negative 2x plus 4 plus 2 is 6, 6y. Yeah, this is the answer. Negative 2x plus 6y. We need to put them together, but we can't. You know the rule in algebra. You can't put together unlike terms using the plus sign. Ele mawhai ona e tu whaatasia ili whaupopo. Ia terms ne pia whai ese ia terms. Man, e x e e y e. Na winga la, ore karisa awa lea. Negative 2x plus 6y. Ia talitonu na wa tau mawa mai ang. Longo, o lesi pata ita inga lea. 3x plus 2y plus x plus y. Okay, if here terms here, how many terms in this expression? 4. All right, what we need to do first is to group and collect and put together the same or the like terms. Okay, or I like male 3x. Ole x, very good. Here. Or I like male y. Male 2y. Ole y. So the next step to do is to put them together. So 3x plus or minus? Plus. We use this symbol here. Plus x plus 2y plus y. Okay, they are all pluses. Okay. Ia ona fa solo lo le fa pe 3x plus another x. Ila ia se sing malo fa pe 3 apples plus 1 apple. The x here stands alone here is the same as 1x. X is the same as 1x. Ia se hase alaba ile numero ona tu sia se 1 ilumole x. Pe afa pe kastil x. Na winga la so sky me give a ile variable was na o ile 2 my that means 1. It's a 1x. Okay, ano mo la 3x plus another x is equal to 4x plus 2y plus another y is equal to 3y. Ola sili na ya ututa mai lewa 4x plus 3y. Can we put them together? Then can we add them up? No, we can't. Why? Because they are unlike terms. Ele mafai la bona etu patasia langa le ese terms. Ile fa'au popo. Malama tama iti e ofo le tu ese. Okay, le si tatu fata ita inga. Le si tatu fata inga ba ai fa le ma fa longo ba o matu watu la ngat wenga. Le si tatu fata ita inga le. Ole x minus 10x squared plus 3x minus 5x squared. Right. They are all x's, but why they are different in here? This x has no square at the top here, but this one has a square. A square. So First of all, we need to collect the like terms. So this one here goes to this one here. This one goes to this one. Ia ona whai fo ilia. Inga whaapea. X plus 3x fo ima iluma minus 10x square minus 5x square. O maua mai ta maiti. Ai mai se ala whaonga ino o whailonga ia. O operators ia. Okay. In here, 1x plus 3x is equal to 4x minus 10x square minus 5x square. How many x square left? 5x square. And that's the answer. Because we can't put them together, even though they are all x's. But this x has no square at the top, and this one has one. Okay, one more example. Simplifying algebraic expressions. Alpha 7 plus 4x minus 6x cubed plus 9 minus 2x minus 2x cubed. Okay, what I see umi like this yeah. Lei CP umi ai sia e ka sia lau kilo e loa le like terms ma unlike terms. Okay. Ele me mani ele watu pui wale ni x ale wale fu nyanga y wale fu ta unga tato le numero 2 mai na oia ile ba inga le. Very good. Constant, a number that stands on its own. Lei ona winga la fitu on number 7 waila like a like male number 9. 4x. Why you like my 4x? Only 2x. 6x cubed. Why you like yai? Only 2x cubed. Pati tamaiti. Ui pole ale umia kasi al kosinga o kako au. Mau wata maiti. Leiteli. A kosia kwa au. Kosi mai fu mau au. Leiteli. Untato bolo le thai. No winga. 7 here. Alu plus or minus? Plus 9. Tuwe fo ima i plus 4x. Alu wakule 4x alu i minus 2x. Kwe sa i minus 6x cubed or power of 3. Alu minus 2x cubed. La kako with brackets kako with brackets terms. Mafaya si umiyol sa tulain. Kako expression. Oh, first of all, just a reminder. What do you call this line here? This is an expression. Niatun wala le ka uli algebraic expression. Le fai mai le kako le tato learning outcome. Simplifying algebraic expressions. Later, I lunga bracket le bae ngai like terms, mai like terms, mai like terms. La sa to wolo like 5. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16 plus 4x take away 2x is equal to 2x minus 6x cubed minus 2x cubed. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. 4x cubed. Is that the final answer?
Yes.
What do you think? Yes. Can we put together these ones? No, they are unlike terms. What about these ones? No, they are unlike terms. So, this is the answer, children. Our answer is 16 plus 2x minus 4x cubed. Wala la le me ton wala le o I ton wala le apply yai le upule lunga. You know the word in our learning outcome. The first word in our learning outcome. The first word is simplifying or simplify. To make it short, Liala wa ina umi ai il expression sau I o kau fulolo ayo o mai lalo kalu ua uma wa simplify leitele. All right, tamaiti o le taimi nei o le a atu la nga luenga tilo ane lunga le tibi le la kwa kwela nga luenga yana enga lue mai lola ia le o le umi le taimi fai ai 5 minute. Ya malo lava. Si lo bo martungan bengan fai sa fai ngo fiepe sa fai ngata. Ya okay la sa so fa malam lama sa tungan benga. Sa so fai sa fa sa sinawal wat sulu martibi fai sa fa sa samaiti 2x plus 3y minus x minus y. Okay. Now bingala e kam fa pia 2x plus 3y minus x minus y. Minus 1x and minus 1y. Okay? Iyon na fai lo la iya leo laungan wenga. Piyon na ufayat. Ito sa papele ko luwa niya. Lisa tula po no nanya. Na draw ka ko arrows le kay vulili. Iyan na iya fafay ngufiyat. Uy, al say mini wat saw na ilo lo fai Okay, so 2x is which is the like term for 2x is x. So 2x minus the x plus 3y minus the y. Okay. And then 2x minus x or 1x is equal to 1x or x plus 3y minus y is equal to 2y. And that's the answer. Okay, so who got this correct? Very good. Number 2. Number 2. If I tell what I number 2. X square minus 8 plus 4x plus 3x square minus 7 plus x. All right. Lela sa tunga luluya kwa ilalo ili space le. So, x square and 3x square. All right. So, x square plus 3x squared, yeah, minus 8 minus 7 plus 4x plus x. Very good. Yeah. Tana yan nila yan. Pero liya. X squared plus 3x squared is equal to 4x squared minus 8 minus 7 is 1 plus 4x plus another x is 5x. And the answer is 4x squared minus 1 plus 5x, all different terms. Okay, number 3. 3x plus 2y minus 2x plus 6. Okay, so 3x and 2x. 3x minus 2x. And then we come to y. Plus 2y. So is there any other y in our expression? No. So we only have 6 left, and 6 is the number that stands on its own. It's a constant. So we put down plus 6. So our next work is to solve this. 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x plus 2y plus 6. Ia ona wale ya ni me fa ya ila wanga ya wale ngi like terms o ya na winga na si sa o maya ilalo matu ilalo. And the last one is 3x plus 2a minus 4x. Ia le la substitute ti p nga ole 3x mal 4x like so it's equal to 3x minus the 4x plus 2a. Okay. Winga 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 4. Okay, it's equal to negative 1. Negative 1x plus 2a. Plus 2a. And that's the answer for this, for number 4. Okay. You have to tell it on. Well, you're so maangali simplifying. When you simplify algebraic terms, algebraic expressions, you need to put together or group together, collect and gather the like terms first. Iyan mafasol solo ifo ilalo ngal wenga. Iya olaw ngal weng olela umana adatsulay lungole or CV. Iya lau sao ni lau api malau pini kopi lalo lau ngal wenga lau homework lela fai so fai so fale or say milene ya ole afai watsura ole sona ila o activity ole activity lia e mana o mia ya fa o ngao lo ma fo fa sa e fa lo lo fa le o nga ise ile upule ka ole mental strategy no vinga ile fa o nga ina se api ma se pini ai e ke think Babelo ma fo fa i mea ile numera. Lei, ole autual ka commento strategy or double. When you double a number, that means you add it 2 times. All right. Longola most fast ita ingalela fa ya tua. O fatia double 1. Double 1 means 1 plus 1. So the answer is 2. Double 1 equals 2. Very good. Double 2 equals 4. Double 4 equals 8. Sangolai va yan afay to olua na ina olua na matswe 7 mali 8 na tilua fay na ang mat sa mini. So va may la sa mini po isa. Po ila sa. Lela utusia tuwe lunga ile tali. Ya umo na fay to la ofisili na ba ile po yo olua sa. Ole akako fa nga number 3. Are you ready? Okay, double 3 equals? Good. Double 6 equals? 12. Very good. Double 12 equals? 24. Double 24 equals? 48. Double 48 equals? 96. Okay. Ai la tamaiti e mana o mia fo lalo na ko fai lista so fata inga tasi alia sauni ia double 5 double 10 double 20 double 40 double 80 double 160 ia nala no winga emana o mia lava akako mental strategies tamaiti umaluanga luanga na fai o homework le la amatu lunga TV ia ona lu fa sanga ia le ma fai se ia o ai dafi o fa ia lu fa nga tapos ia nga it develop by lo thinking in the numera ia le time nivo umal sa so le sona tua algebraic expressions Ma term se mani sa so fa ngai ni teu lilo ma fau ma e mana tua. Ia manuia tele o tō whanau, wha manuia fwea te o tō mātua. Lo wha pēr o na mai mua mai pēr i whasalalonga mūna i whanau. Wisoa soani ane nei ta mai ti whainga o lako tapo ma lako algebraic expressions. Ma leo wha ala lava, ia manuia tai au, ma ni aso atoa, so i fua.